9. Carretera a los Yungas, Bolivia. Popularly known as the Route of Death, this Bolivian road has taken lives of many people. The 80-kilometer-long road connects the Amazon rainforest region of northern Bolivia, or Yungas, to its capital city La Paz. It climbs up a famous Bolivian mountain pass, La Cumbre, at an elevation of 4,650 meters above the sea level. Dozens of vehicles go off the road each year, and with vertical drops of up to 1,000 meters over the edge, annual fatalities reach into the hundreds. Based on the ratio of death per mile, on an average, 26 vehicles plummet over the edge each year, claiming more than 100 lives. But this doesn't stop many adrenaline junkies from taking on the route. 8. Guoyang Tunnel, China. One of the most impressive roads in the world is the Guoyang Tunnel in China. Carved into the Taihang Mountains, the tunnel road has provided an access to the remote village of Guoyang. Before the tunnel was constructed, the village nestled in a valley surrounded by towering mountains cut off from outside civilization. To ease the villagers' access to outside world, a group of 13 villagers made plans in 1972 to carve a road into the side of the mountain. Several died during construction, but the others continued relentlessly. It took 5 years to finish this spooky tunnel. The Guoyang Tunnel stretches for 1.2 kilometers, 16 feet, tall and 4 meters wide. The treacherous road requires monk-like focus to drive, earning its nickname, the road that does not tolerate mistakes. 7. Karakoram Highway, Pakistan. The Karakoram Highway, formerly known as the China-Pakistan Friendship Highway, is a 1,300-kilometer road which links Hasnabad in Pakistan with Kashgar, the second most important city in Xinjiang province, China. It is one of the highest paved roads in the world, passing through the Karakoram mountain range, at maximum elevation of 4,714 meters near Khunjerab Pass. It forms part of the Silk Road and is known for its long route through the range, between mountains and glaciers. The Karakoram Highway goes through the three greatest mountain ranges on Earth, the Himalayas, the Karakoram and the Hindu Kush. The Karakoram Highway is, perhaps, one of the only places in the world where you can admire a mountain 8,000 meters high from the window of your car. Due to its high elevation and the difficult conditions in which it was constructed, it is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. The Karakoram Road is, definitely, the most epic road trip ever, thanks to the impressive landscape along the route. 6. James W. Dalton Highway, Alaska, USA. The Dalton Highway is no ordinary highway. One of the northernmost roads in the world, the Dalton Highway was constructed to support the development of the Trans-Alaska Pipeline and runs into the Arctic Ocean. Extreme polar weather conditions makes it a driver's worst nightmare. Ice, fog and blizzards are common here, making visibility extremely low on this road. All vehicles must take extreme precaution when driving on the road, and drive with headlights on at all times. It is one of the most isolated roads in the United States. There are only 3 towns along the route. Making this trip requires driving a vehicle capable of handling difficult conditions, and bringing survival gear is important to prevent being trapped in the middle of nowhere. 5. Skipper's Canyon Road, New Zealand. Skipper's Road is a narrow, winding, and exhilaratingly treacherous but extremely scenic pathway that twists and turns for about 16.5 miles through Skipper's Canyon. Located in the southwest of New Zealand's South Island, Skipper's Road clings to the side of Skipper's Canyon, which drops vertically to the Shotover River, once known as the richest river in the world for its gold. This road was built at the end of the 19th century to aid those who went in search of gold on the mountain slopes. Skipper's Road is mostly one-way, narrow, full of sharp bends and steep with sheer drops of several hundred meters. The road is so narrow that if 2 vehicles have to pass each other, one vehicle might have to reverse for anything up to 3 kilometers of winding narrow road to get to a place wide enough to pass. Driving on this road is so dangerous that it is one of the few roads where rental car insurance is not honored. 4. El Caracol, Chile, Argentina. Located among the imposing peaks of the Andean Mountains, El Caracol joins Argentina and Chile. Also known as the Ruta del Caracol or Paso de los Libertadores, it reaches an altitude of almost 3,900 meters. The Chilean side of the road is very difficult to navigate, with one of the most winding routes in the world, giving the appearance of the coil of a fridge from the air. It is particularly hazardous due to the heavy lorries that travel along it, making it one of the most dangerous roads in the world. Extreme patience and skill are the key to drive on this road, and the adrenaline rush and thin air make for a thrilling, if occasionally slow, driving experience. Wind can also slow things down, but conquer all that and you'll be rewarded by magnificent views of the switchbacks below and South America's highest peak, Aconcagua. 3. Rotang Pass, India. Located in the Pir Panjal range of the Himalayas, Rotang Pass is a high mountain pass at an elevation of 3,979 meters. The pass is open only from May to November, as the pass gets blocked by snow in other months. Every new season, the road crew has to struggle with their GPS to dig out the road buried under the layers of snow. Unpredictable snowstorms, blizzards and massive and deadly landslides continue throughout the year, giving the pass its name, which translates to ground of corpses. Winding bends, steep drops down with no barrier, rockfalls and landslides all create a recipe for disaster. Still, it attracts large number of tourists thanks to its stunning landscape, giving a view of the scenic mountains, forests and glaciers. 2. Passage du Gois, France. Passage du Gois is a 4.5 treacherous road that leads from Beauvoir-sur-Marne, the French mainland, to the stunning island of Noirmoutier. It is a fascinating example of the ferocious power of nature, as the passage floods twice every 24 hours, and so can only be driven on a few hours each day before the island is sealed off. More often than not, the Passage du Gois lies hidden beneath 4 to 13-foot thrashing waves. The length of the road makes it all the more dangerous because, if you are caught in the floods, it can be very difficult to reach dry land before the entire stretch becomes chest-deep in water. When visiting Noirmoutier, remember that access to the island depends on the tide. If you're lucky, you'll get just 3 hours to use it. Passage du Gois is also well known for being part of the Tour de France route in 1999. 1. 99 Bend Road to Heaven, China. It is a 11 km road with 99 death-defying hairpin turns constructed hundreds of feet in the air. The 99 turns symbolizes that heaven has 9 palaces, according to Chinese tradition. It goes all the way up to the top of the Tianmen mountain and takes visitors to the Tianmen cave, a natural hole in the mountain. The road is incredibly narrow and winding with extremely narrow tunnels. This road, which spirals rapidly upwards from 200 meters to 1,300 meters above sea level, offers a view of a long winding road which looks like a dragon ascending from the mountains. In bad weather, with the ever-looming possibility of an earthquake, the road